we are discussing about physical and chemical change. Change in the physical properties such as state, shape or size are termed as physical change. Expansion, melting, tearing, breaking, etc. are all the physical changes. New substances are not formed during physical change.
The process in which substances change into new substances by absorbing or releasing energy is termed as chemical change. Chemical change is a permanent change. Let us do some experiments on physical and chemical change. I have a piece of paper. I am crumbling this. Here only the shape of the paper is changing. No new product are formed. So it is a physical change.
I have a spoon of ghee. I am heating this ghee. It melts. Here only the state of the ghee is changing. No new products are formed. So this is a physical change. Let us do another experiment. I am taking sugar in a spoon. Let us heat it. It melts. The color and state of the sugar is changed. A new substance called caramel is produced. It is a permanent change. The caramel cannot be changed back into sugar. So this is a chemical change.
Let us do another experiment. I have a paper. Let us burn it. A new product ash is formed. It is a permanent change. Ash cannot be changed back into paper. So this is a chemical change.
I have a paper. I am cutting this paper into small pieces. Here only the size of the paper is changing. No new products are formed. So this is a physical change.
I have an onion. I am cutting this onion into 2 pieces. Here only size of the onion is changing. No new product are formed. So this is a physical change.
Now I am doing another experiment with vinegar and baking soda. I am mixing vinegar and baking soda. A new product is formed. We cannot separate this, so this is a chemical change.